In this session, we're going to ask you to join with us as we manage challenging attorney situations and discussing some of the tips on dealing with those. We'll address some common issues such as attorneys not being available, changes in contracts, fee affordability, sudden client departure, and invoice disputes. We'll share with you some practical approaches so that you'll know what to do if these situations arise in your LNC practice. First of all, let me introduce Barbara Levin, who is an experienced legal nurse consultant. She is a past president of the American Association of Legal Nurse Consultants, and she served the state of Massachusetts for 8 years on the Board of Nursing, including 3 years as chairman of the board, or I should say, chairperson, to be politically correct. Barbara has extensive experience as an orthopedic and a medical surgical expert witness and also works behind the scenes.
Thank you so much, Pat. And I'd like to introduce Patricia Iyer. She is also an experienced legal nurse consultant and past president of the American Association of Legal Nurse Consultants. Pat is a prolific author and has written dozens of books for legal nurse consultants. She built a very large and very successful legal nurse consulting practice, which she sold after 28 years. She returned to legal nurse consulting after a 5-year non-compete agreement that time had expired. And now she's very actively engaged with clients and also helping legal nurse consultants such as you.